Hello and welcome to Watch Tonight, folks. And today we are going through dating history of Lily Collins. We will check out who she is dating now and who she has dated over the year. Lily is famous as a British American actress and model. She is daughter of musician Phil Collins, and she is best known for her role in movies like Abduction, Mirror, and Mortal Instruments. So let's start with who she is dating right now. Lily is currently dating Charlie McDowell. They started dating in 2019 and they are still together. They got engaged in September of 2020 and they first met in July of 2019. And they are still going strong. Charlie is a director and writer. He is best known for his movie The One I Love. Before Charlie, Lily dated Jason Vaughan. Lily and Jason dated for a short while in 2017. They were together from July to August in 2017. Before 2017, she went on to date Nick Jonas. Nick is an American singer and songwriter, and currently he is married to Priyanka Chopra. Lily and Nick dated each other in 2016 for a short while. In 2015, she was rumored to be dating Chris Evans. They were seen on multiple dates together. They were going out for groceries and shopping together. Before Chris, she dated Matt Stone. In 2014, she went on to date Matt Stone. Matt is a singer and recording artist from Chicago. After Matt, she went on to date Thomas Cockrell. Thomas and Lily dated in 2014. Thomas is an Australian actor, and some of the most famous movies he has done is Kidnapping and Mr. Hannigan, Other Life, Table 19. After Thomas, Lily went on to date Jamie Campbell Bower, and their relationship started in 2012, and it was one of the longest relationships Lily has ever been in, and it lasted till 2018. James is an English actor, singer, and model. Before Jamie, she dated Cord Overstreet. Cord is an American actor and musician. He is best known for his role in Sam Evans in Fox television series Glee. They dated for a short while in 2012. Before Cord, in 2012 and 13, she dated Zac Efron. Zac is an American actor and singer. He is best known for acting in movies like High School Musical trilogy, Hairspray, and 17 Again. Before Zac, in 2010 and till 2011, Lily dated Taylor Lautner. Taylor is also an American actor and model. He is best known for his role of Jacob Black in Twilight series. And her first relationship was with Riley Harper. They dated from 2009 to 2010. And Riley is a stunt man, and he was born in Los Angeles.
Wait, before you continue watching this video, because I know you will, 3 things. Subscribe, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment down below.